This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so first of all, what is the use and what exactly the set operators? Some description. Set operators combine the result of two or more component queries or sets into a single result. So whenever we will use the query, we are writing nowadays query, only single query we are writing. So only one table we are using. In set operator, what we have to do? One query we can write by using one table. Another query we can write by using another table or same table. So after that, we can combine the result output into single query. So in query only we can combine, so that result also it will come as combined result. That is the use of set operator. Okay, so here set of values are there. Those set of values are present in different tables. From those set of tables, we can write a separate query and combinedly we will get the result. That is called as set operator only. Queries containing set operators are called compound queries. Since our queries will be combined query using multiple tables, two select statement, two group by, two order by, like that it will be there. So we can club together, we can tell it as a compound query. SQL supports few set operations which can be performed on the table data. These are used to get meaningful results from data stored in the table under different special conditions. So in multiple tables, data will be present. We can fetch the data using separate query from those multiple tables. And at the end, we will use some set operator so that combined query result it will come into output. The set operators are union, intersect, and another is minus. Union is one set operator, intersect is one set operator, minus is one set operator. In Oracle and some other databases, it is called as minus. In SQL Server, it is called as except. So the process, the logic, the meaning is same only. Only the name is changed in SQL Server database. Except SQL Server database, this is same only. This minus. So these three are always return the data by eliminating or ignoring the duplicate rows or values. So union set operator, intersect set operator, and minus set operator. These three set operators, if you are using, then it will ignore the duplicate value. Suppose 10 is there, 10, 10, 10 like that. So automatically it will ignore. No need to use distinct. If you are using distinct or unique, then it was ignoring earlier. Now, without using distinct, also it will ignore using these three set operator. And another set operator is union all. This union all, it will not ignore the distinct values. It will not eliminate directly. We have to mention before union all or in that query distinct keyword. Then only it will ignore. Otherwise, it will not ignore. So these three operators automatically it will ignore the duplicate value, but union all set operator automatically it will not ignore. We have to mention distinct, then it will ignore. So in this way, total 4 set operators are there: union, intersect, minus, and union all. Okay, so these are 4 types of set operators. What is union? Union will take the rows or values from both of the query, both of the table, and all together it will display by ignoring the duplicate. Ignoring duplicate or ignoring the repetition. So only unique rows it will display or unique value it will display. So here two tables we have 10, 10, 20, 20. Coming to another table, also 10 is there, 10 is there, 10 is there, then 30 is there, then 20 is there, 40 is there, like that. So whenever we use this A union B, then what will happen? This is suppose A table and this is B table. Two tables are here suppose. So A union B, if you will do, then it will take both the data, means two sets of data from different table or this mentioned table, and uniquely it will display. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. In both the table, it contains 5 times. Only one time it will take. 20. In both the table, how many times it is present? 20, 20, 20. 3 times. Only one time it will display. 30, including both the tables, how many times it is present? Only one time. So 30, one time. 40, one time. Result will be this: 10, 20, 30, 40. So which are repeated, for that again and again it will not display. It will ignore those duplications. That is the use of union. Now come to union all. In same example only, everything it will display. No, it will not ignore any duplicacy. It will not ignore anything. Whatever it is present, everything all together it will display. Simply, blindly it will take and display. That's all. That is union all. All is coming. So all it will display. So what it will display? 10, 10, 20, 20. 10, 10, 20, 20. Now from B table 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10. Then again 30, 20, 40. 30, 20, 40. So this will be the result of A union all. A union all. This is the result of A union B. So one is A union B and another is A union all B. This is the result. So here all together how many elements are there, how many values are there, those many number of values it will display in union all. So this is the difference between union and union all. In interview also they are asking what are the difference between union and union all. Compulsory question you will get. This is the difference. Next one is intersect. In intersect what will happen? Common value only it will display. Other value it will not display. What are those common value? 10 is present in both. How many times it is present, that doesn't matter. Only one time it will display, because intersect, union, okay, union, intersect and minus, these three are ignoring duplicate values by default. It will ignore duplicate value. Union all is not ignoring duplicate value by default. We have to mention distinct. So this is union all. If you will use distinct, then this result will come. Now intersect we are using. By default it will ignore duplicate and it will take the common value between two sets. So what are common now? 10, 10 common, 1, 10 it will display. Okay, so again 10, 10, 10, 10 it will not take. One time display means that is done. Now 20, 20, 20, 20. In two places it is there. In two tables it is present. So 120 it will display. Then 30 here present but here not present, it will not display. 40 here present but here it is not present, it will not display. So result will be 10, 20, only two values. This is intersect. Only common part uniquely it will display, no duplicate, and only common part, no extra. Now minus. So minus if you will do, then first is A minus B. If A minus B we are doing, then it is available in A but not available in B. That only it will display. Again unique. Always it will suppress the duplicate, ignore the duplicate. So 10 is present in A, also present in B, that it will not take. It will not take. 20, 20 also in both places it is present. It will not take. Now nothing is there. So null will come, A minus B. Now suppose other value is there, 60. Then here 60 will come. 60 is present only in A, but not in B. Those type of value only it will display in A minus B. Similarly, B minus A, if you will do here, B minus A, then what it will display? Which are present only in B but not in A, that it will display. 10 present in both, it will not display. 10, 10. Okay, 30. 30 is not available in A, it will display 30. 20, 20 is present in A, it will not display. 40, okay, 40 is not present in A, that it will display. So these two it will display, 30 and 40. So this is about minus. So this is the logic behind union, union or intersect and minus. Now using this logic, using this fact, using this process concept, we'll further move with the queries and using some tables we can do that. Okay, so this is set operator. Diagrammatically it will be like this. Again try to understand. So this is one set A. This is second set P. Union, union all, both are here. So this is union all, and this first one is union. In union, what happened? From this both set, it will take the values uniquely, which are common, that will come two times, but two times it will not display, or three times it will not display. Only one time it will take. So this part is common part. In A also it is present, in B also it is present. So that part only one time it will display, not two times. That's why B it will come. So this part not come for A. If coming in A, then it will not come for B. If coming in B, then it will not come for A. Okay, so this common part only one time it will display, not two times. Now come to union all. Here A set all it is displaying, common part also. This is a common part, middle one. It is present in A, it is present in B. Again, it will display the output in B result B. So this part is coming two times now. In A result also, A set result also it is displaying, in B set also it is displaying in this part, common part. So common part it will take all in union all. Common part it will not take all, only one time, uniquely it will take. That is A union B and A union all B. Now intersect, this yellow highlighted is the intersect part here. So which is common? This is common part, available in A set, available in B set. Only this part it will display, not others. Now minus A minus B, only present in A, that part it will display. B minus A, only present in B, that part it will display. If it is B minus A. So this part it will not come in B minus A. This is present in both. So B minus A means only this part. A minus B means only yellow part. It will come. Okay, so this is about diagrammatical representation. And now some rules are there. So using those rules, we can follow, we can write the queries and we can get the result. So first of all, okay, before that we can go with some set of values. Then we can go for the rules and then we will use the tables. Okay, here some set of values we can take here. S1 equal to ABCD, 4 values are there. S2 equal to XYZBD, 5 values are there. How many are common here? B and D. These two are common in both these sets. Now, if you will use S1 union all S2, then what it will display? It will take blindly all the values from both the set. So ABCD, ABCD, XYZBD, XYZBD. It is coming. Now S1 union S2, what it will display? ABCD, ABCD. Now in second set, XYZBD, but BD are already present in S1 set and displayed already BD. Again, it will not come. Only XYZ it will display from here. So this is the final result in S1 union S2. S1 intersect S2, which are common. B and D are common in both BD. S1 minus S2. So which are available in S1 but not available in S2? Which are those? A, B. No, A and C. Because B and D are available here in S2. So AC it is displayed. S2 minus 1, which are available only in S2 but not available in S1. That it will display. So which are available in S2? XYZ, BD. Minus S, okay, S2 minus S1. So minus S1 means which are only available in S2, that only it will display. So only available in S2 means X, Y, Z, because B and D are available here also in S1. So finally it will display X, Y, Z. So this is using some set of values. One is diagrammatical representation. Now we can go through with some rules, and based on that rules we can write the queries. So first rule, you can try to remember all these rules, then only you will feel easy, otherwise it will be difficult to. Number of columns should be same in both set of queries. So whenever we write the set operator queries, two sets of queries are there. First table, first set query, second table, second set query, two query. So in those two query, number of columns should be same. So one query already we have written, select some column names A, B, C, D, like that from table name A. Similarly, another query we can write, select some other column names here in this table X, Y, Z, T, like that from another table name B. So this is two query. In middle we have to write the set operator, which one we are going to do, union or union all or intersect or whatever it may be. Any operator. I am giving the symbol here, union symbol. So in query we have to write union, no symbol. Symbol will not work here. In arithmetic 7, 8 class standard arithmetic book, symbol was there. Intersect symbol is this one, then minus symbol is this one, union symbol is this. But here the symbol will not work. For your understanding, you can take this symbol, but for query we have to write those in words, characters only. So in middle we have to write any operator, set operator which we are taking. First set of queries, then operator of set, then second set of queries. After that semicolon you can give. Don't give here semicolon. First query is completed, but our set operator query is not completed. So after complete this first query, don't give semicolon. After complete both only you can give this semicolon. So here you can just check how many columns are present in two query. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in second query also 1, 2, 3, 4. If 4, 4, 5, 5, 8, 8, 2, 2, 1, 1, 10, 10, same column count are there, then only it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. That is first rule. If you are giving star here, and here also star you are giving, then what will happen? Suppose in this A table 10 columns are there, in B table 8 columns are there, then it will not work. Suppose in both the table 10, 10 columns are there, then it will work. Fine. So you can give star or you can give column name, whatever it may be, but it should be having same column count. That is the first rule. Second is column name in all the set of queries may or may not same. So this can be same, cannot be same, no issue, no problem. But it should be related to some correct meaning with the correct sequence that need to be maintained. So here we have given column name. In A table, A, B, C, D column is there. In B table, X, Y, Z, T column is there. No problem. But the meaning should be same. So here if you are getting confused, then again another column name we can take. A instead of A, EID. In B table, it is mentioned only ID. Both are having the meaning ID related. No problem. Fine. Second column, employee name. E name is mentioned in first table. But in this second table f name is mentioned. Fine, both are indicating to name only. Similarly, third column, roll number is there. In first table it is mentioned RN, but in second table it is mentioned ROLL. Fine, no problem. Last one is phone number, PH, and suppose in second table it is mentioned contact number. Fine. So it can be same, it cannot be same, no issue. But the meaning should be same. Roll number, phone number, EID, EID, E name, F name. The meaning should be same with corresponding sequence, same sequence. First column is roll number, then in second query also first column should be roll number related column. Phone number, contact number. Employee ID, ID. So sequence should be same. Suppose in third column employee ID is there in the first query and fourth column ID is there in the second query, then it is mismatching. So sequence wise meaning also you need to check. That is second rule. Third rule is all columns mentioned in both the queries should be present physically. So which columns we mentioned here, those should be present physically in this table. It is not like that salary column is there and we are taking cell multiplied with 5.2. This is not physical, this is logical. We are calculating something using one table. So whatever columns we'll mention, those should be present physically. If additional columns are adding in any set of queries, then make it same corresponding sequence in both all set in the same data type. Suppose here 4 columns are there or 8 columns are there, but in second set 8 columns, in first set 10 columns, and we need all those output 10 out of 10 or 10 columns. So which two are not present in this second table? Those two columns also we need to mention. In that case, star will not work, and if we need all those 10 columns, so what to mention then? To which column we can correlate? So which are extra? Suppose fifth column is extra here, not same. So here fifth column we can mention here also fifth column. Okay, so here fifth column is present physically, but related to that same kind of meaning, it is not present in the second table. So in place of fifth column, we can give some same kind of data type with null. Okay, so here it is varchar2, then we can take it here as a varchar2 and some null related we can pass here, so that both will match and combine. That need to do if we want forcefully. Otherwise, if it is not required, ignore that. These columns don't mention in the select clause. Okay, so that is third rule. Fourth rule is column names or column alias present in the first query of the statement only carry through the final result set. So here you can just see names we have given A, B, C, D, first, second, third, fourth column names, and we are giving set operator after that X, Y, Z, T. So whenever it will take the result output, then in that output which column names it will give? This XYZ T it will give, or ABCD it will give? First one only. In first set of queries, which column names we have given, that only it will display in the final output. If column name, then column name. If alias name, then alias name. Suppose here roll number is there. RN is given as roll number. We have given alias name R. And in second query, ROLL is there. So RL we have given. So here alias name is R. So in first set of queries, alias name is R. So it will display in the output also R. It will not display the second column name, second query column name. So if column name is there, column name it will display. If alias name is there, alias name it will display. But it will take from first query only, not from second query. Fourth rule. Fifth rule is the order by clause is by default applied to all rows written in the final result set. So order by clause no need to use, automatically it will use the order by only, and it will take the ordering with ascending, automatically it will happen. In some cases it is conflicting with multiple columns and all those, so it will not use that order by. So in that case we can use this order by. If it is not considering in directly or automatically, we can write order by. But whenever we are writing order by, then we have to write at the end, not in middle. That is one rule. So here first query is completed, don't write order by, it will not work. Second query is completed, after that we can write order by, then it will work. So at the end of our set operator related query only order by can be written if required. If not required, ignore that, automatically it will happen. If not automatically happening and we are going to write, then write at the end, not in middle, not in starting, not in any way. Okay, end of query. Column names or column alias present in the first query of the statement. So that is for order by. This is 5 rules. Again, we will continue few more rules. Next one, 6th rule. The respective data types must match for the same column position in each set of query. So in first set of query, column name suppose A, B, C, D. In second set of query, U, V, W and X suppose. Column names are different. So these corresponding sequence wise data types should be same, A and U column. If number data type, here also number. If varchar, here also varchar. If date in B, then in V also date data type. CW same, date or char or varchar char. or number like that. D also same data type. So here A column is having number data type and this U column is having character data type. It will not work. Data type should be same correspondingly with sequence wise. That is sixth rule. Next, seventh is if both queries select the values of the char data type of equal length, then the return value has char data type of the same length. Suppose this is char data type, A column, and U column also char data type, and the length is here 10, here 10. So in result also it will come as 10 length with char data type. Suppose in this uh, A column, char data type only length is 12 and here length is 10. So which is highest that it will take, it will come. 12 it will come here. Similarly, here suppose 18 is there. So finally it will come 18. Which is highest that it will take. If same, then that only it will come. If highest, lowest highest is there, then which is highest, that length only it will carry forward. Okay, that is seventh rule. Next, eighth rule. If anyone query has select values of varchar2 data type, then the return value will be varchar2 data type only. Okay, so suppose here varchar2 data type is there for C column, but in W column char data type is there. So which is highest, varchar2? Varchar2 only it will return finally. Varchar2 is highest than char. So varchar2 it will return. Length also highest it will return, and same kind of data type is there, varchar and varchar2 also. Varchar2 only it will return. That is the highest one. Eighth rule. Ninth rule. Set operation behaves or treats null as equal when comparing rows. Okay. So whenever it is comparing rows by row, here null is there. In another column also, in another query also null is there. Null and null are same that it will behave. But coming to the general meaning, null and null are not same. In starting we discussed. Null is not equal to another null. Null is not equivalent to any other value, and null we cannot compare with anything. But coming to the set operator, null will behave as same. Equivalent it will behave. One null and another null. So only one null it will return. If thousands of nulls are there, then also only one null it will return. Okay, so it will understand all nulls are equal in set operator, not in any other concepts. This is ninth rule. Next, last 10th rule is minus set operator will not return any null rows if both table contain minimum one null rows. Okay, so suppose we are using set operator minus. This is first query, this is second query. We are using minus operator. So it will behave same like 10, 10. If 10, 10 both are present in both the query, the 10 will not display in minus query. So null, null both are there, then null will not come. It will ignore that. If in second query null is there, and here only one null is there, then the extra it will take. This null, it will make sense, and this is extra one it will take. Okay, so after doing some practical things, all these will be clear. Now these are the concepts to start off with the set operator, and these are few rules you need to remember. All these 10 rules you can try to remember, then set operator will be very easy only. So anyone is having problem or not understanding any of these rules, now we can go to the practical to using with those rules with writing the query using employees departments, all those tables and some other tables we can do now. So any doubt till now or any of these rules? Okay, so these are few examples we can take. Okay, so first one is union all we are taking. Yes, select region ID from HR.regions. In HR schema, regions is one table. We are taking one column from that table. That column is region ID. That region ID column is also present in countries table. which is under HR schema. So we are using two different tables under one schema only, and in both the table this region ID column is present. Now we are writing the query. So how to write? One query from one table, another query from again another query. Then in middle which set operator we want, that you can give. If required order by, then at the end we can give complete the semicolon. So all these together is a complete one set operator query. So separately if you will execute, then just see select region ID from HR.regions. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. Only this column, one column. Now select region ID from HR.countries. 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4, 3. All these combinations are coming. So all these combinations are within 1, 2, 3, 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, like that. Multiple combinations are available here. Not beyond 4, 5, 7, all those are not available. Within 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Now we are using union all. So what it will display? In first query, total 4 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are there. Now in this second query, total how many rows are there? 25 rows are there. Now combinedly we are using this union all. So how many it will display? Can you tell? How many rows it will display finally?
One row, sir.
In first query 4 rows, second query 25 rows. Union all we are
25.
using.
29. Total 29 rows.
Okay, so total 29 rows it will display. 29. And now you can just check.
One
Order
column.
by one column only we have given.
Mm.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 coming from first table. After that, these are coming from second table. So here some conflict is there, some repetitions are there in the second table, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 1, 1, 3, 4, 2, like that. That's why order by is conflict. Without order by, it is not giving ordering. So in this case, we can use order by region ID. Now you can see it is ordering also 1, 2, 3, 4, all those things. If you will use here order by in first query, after that only order by some table name, suppose column name, region ID. Till now executing. Last order by not selected, not executing. You can see it will throw error. So order by will not allowed in middle or starting or anywhere. It will be at the end only if we are using. Not using, ignore that. If using, then at the end you can. Now union. So union if you will give, then what it will display? Can you tell now? Same column, same table, same
4
schema.
rows, sir. It will display only 4 rows.
Only 4 rows. Okay, so which are it will take both the set of values and uniquely it will display. So 1, 2,
Which
3,
are
4 only
present
values
in
are there.
those 2 columns.
Yes, which are present in these 2 columns from different table. Uniquely it is displaying. So except 1, 2, 3, 4, nothing is present in these 2 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4 only it is displaying uniquely. Ignore the duplicate. Now select region ID from HR.regions and intersect we are using. So what it will display?
1, 2, 3, 4 only.
Okay, here also 1, 2, 3, 4 because this 1, 2, 3, 4 is common in both tables. Now select country ID from HR.countries and minus we are using. Select country ID from HR.locations. So what it will display? Country, you can just see AR, AU, BE, BR, so many country codes are there. Country ID, total 25. Now in another table locations also country ID is there. So which are not present in this list, means first query list. Means in first query only it is present, but in second query it should not be present. Those only it will take. A minus B. This 11. These 11 are present in countries table. but not present in this table A minus B. Now this query again, if you will use the previous one, and here if you will give minus, then can you tell what it will display?
Null.
Okay, very good.
Nothing will display.
Because 1 2 3 4 only both are present in both the side, and minus is taking as a it is ignoring duplicate also. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 it will consider, and doing minus, so nothing will come. Okay, so all are fine, or any doubt from anybody? Bhavani, Akhil, Faisal, Sudhakar, Vishnu? Okay, yeah, you can try to give answer now. Only one person is giving. Easy topic only, nothing is there. Everything is easy. SQL, just you need to understand the concept. Okay, next we can take select location, and next multiple columns we are taking. In this previous example, single column we have taken. Now multiple columns we are taking. Select location ID, department name, department, then to care null state from HR departments. So here how many columns we are giving? Location ID 1, department name 2, this is 1, 3. 3 columns we are taking. And in this second query, location ID, then to care department, state province from HR.locations. So here also 3 columns. So just observe here, location ID correspondingly location ID here in both the table it is present, department table, locations table. So fine, column name can be same, cannot be same, both are having same meaning, so this is fine. Next is department name. It is present in departments table but not present in locations table. Still then we need to display that department name. So what to do? So in that case, correspondingly for department name we have to write like this in the second query, to underscore care. This is one function which will convert to character data type. So this department name is a character data type. We have to give here also character data type. To keep the same data type or character data type, to care function we are using, and we cannot give any value here 10 20 30 40 or xyz abcd randomly we cannot give. Null we can give, so that meaning will not change. So in the output it will display null 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 like that. Here one alias name we have given DEPT. For this we are giving one alias name as DEPT department. So in final result, first query alias name only it will display DEPT. This will not come. Now third column we need in the result state province, state name we need. That is present in locations table but that is not present in departments table. So same thing we can do. This is a character data type. So to care function we can use, and again null, and we can give one alias name here state. So at the end we are getting these 3 columns. So one is present in departments but not present in locations, and this one not present in departments but present in locations. So if this type of combinations you are getting, then to care we have to use and make it identical the data type. Now if you will execute this, then just see how it is displayed. Okay, so location ID, all location ID, few are taking from this departments table, few are taking from this locations table, and uniquely it is taking because union we have given. Total how many? 50. Department name, column heading you can see here DEPT it is coming, DEPT. State is there, state is coming. From first query only it will display the column name in the output result, not from second query, from first query only. So DEPT is displaying and state it is displaying here, state and DEPT. So all the names of department name it is coming in this result, department's name. So Few are null also, that null also it is coming. Few are null, null also it is coming. And whenever it is coming to the second query, it will take those rows also, because in the second query, suppose 20 rows are there. Out of all those 20 rows, this department column is not present, but we are using that as a null. We want to display with character data type. So for that null, null, null only it will come. Null, 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 it is coming in so many places. Now state provisions. State provisions, state names are there in this table, locations table, state names are coming. Whenever it is combining, in this table state is not there, so null, null, null it is coming. We have given null so that it can generate in the row. Otherwise, how it will take? That's why null to give. So if extra columns also we need, then correspondingly we have to maintain like this. Okay, so this is using multiple tables, and if it is not in sequence all those columns, still then we want to display how to do. This is the approach. Now select department ID from employees. 107 rows are there. Then select department ID from departments. 27 rows are there. Both are from HR schema. Now if you are using union all, then it will display all the department ID 107 plus
154
20,
rows.
27. Now we need the distinct from that. So select distinct of department ID we can give on top of that. Select distinct of department ID from this set, order by department ID. Okay, so same thing if we want to display not in this lengthy way, then how to use? Just union you can give, don't give all. So distinct is not required now. Distinct wise it will display.
Nulls are not.
Which none?
Nulls are not coming in output, sir, where we have using the distinct keyword.
Nulls will, if nulls
No.
are not there, then it will not come. So in department ID of employees table, one null is there. One null coming. Only one null was there, so that is coming.
Okay.
Union all we are using. Minus if you will use, then nulls are having
Okay,
different
it
meaning.
is same.
Okay, now few more example. Select employee ID. Select employee ID. This is from job history table. This is from employees table. Employee ID, employee ID. EMP has symbol we have given, alias name. So finally output it will display this one. Now last name. Last name is present in employees table but not present in job history table. So just we have given null. Then hire date. Hire date is present in employees table but hire date column name is not there in job history table. In that it is present at start date. Meaning is same. Hire date and start date meaning is same. So here third column, here third column we have given. Fine. Next is end date. End date is present in job history table but end date is not present in employees table. So here need to make it identical using null. Null. So in the output from first query only column name will come. So after null, if you will not give any column name, then what it will take? Annual as a column name, that will not look good. So end date we can give here. Next is job ID. It is present in both. Fine. Department ID. It is present in both. Fine. From HR.employees, from job.history. Now we can execute. All those we are getting. So in previous example, what we did, to care with null we have given. This is also one approach. And directly we can give null. That is also another approach. This one. Automatically it will take which data type? Another one. So here this is date data type. Automatically it will consider date. And here end date we have given. Here no end date. Automatically it is taking date data type. So only null if you give also fine without mention to care and all. Okay, so same query intersect we are using from both the tables. So which are common, that it will display using multiple tables. So this is a common. Okay, So two tables if you will use, then maybe some other more rows it will come. Three columns we are using. Okay, so more rows it is coming. Two rows using two columns. One column, then again so many rows it will get. Select department ID. Now one column we are using and department ID. Uniquely it will display from both job history and employees table. Total 12 and department ID it is displaying from both. Okay, so this is the use of set operator. Next, set operator precedence. So if all these set operators we are mentioning in one single query, then which will take first, which will take second, third, fourth priority. All set operators are having equal precedence. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 wise it will not take. Everything will be same precedence. No priority will come. Like division, multiplication is high priority, then plus minus will come. Those type of concepts are not available in set operator. Everything will be in same page. Okay, so from this chapter, set operator, these are the interview questions theoretically, and whatever we did practically, from that also few questions we will get. In theory, one is explain the different types of basic operators in SQL. This is from basic operator, describe about set operator. So wildcard character already we discussed. Explain the uses of null in all set operator, how it is using. What are the precedence followed by a basic operator and set operator? Explain the rules. Which features are not available in like that is from like operator. Here all operator related topics are there. So few are from basic operator also. Differentiate between these two already we covered for today, union and union. So these are few interview questions. Now we can go to one table. Just you can see and tell what will be the output. Select star from football select star from cricket. So football is one table, cricket is one table. We have two tables. So few players are playing football, few players are playing cricket, and few are playing both also. Football they are playing, cricket also they are playing. Now we can execute these together. Two sets of results we are getting. So first is football. This one. Just try to see. First name, last name. Null, null. Null, null. Two null rows are there. In 9 also null rows are there. Total 3 null rows in football table. Null rows. Okay. Total how many records are there? 9 rows. Total. Now the names are Ashish Khapre, Susan Kotle, Sirish Patil, Suresh Kottam, Tejas Vyas, Kushal Arman. Now we can see this table. Cricket. One null is there. One null row. And total how many rows? 7 rows. And how many values are common? First name, last name, Ravi Sharma, not there. Susan Kotle is there. Here, Susan Kotle. 1. Tejas Vyas. Here also Tejas Vyas. 2. Kushal Arman. Here also Kushal Arman. Total 3 names are same in both the table. Same. Okay. Now using this table, we can write set operator. You can tell how many rows will come. And here first name is there. In football, last name is there. Here also first name is last name is there. Okay, so both are indicating same kind of meaning. That rule is satisfied. If we'll check data type, describe football, describe cricket. Both are having character related data type. That rule also satisfied. Varchar to 30, varchar to 30, last name varchar to 30, varchar to 30. that is also satisfying. Column count, same. Like that, so many rules are satisfying here. Now what we can do, no need to write the column name, star directly we can give. Okay, so first I am giving union all. Since both column count are same and all these data type, corresponding sequence, everything, so without writing this column name star, if you will give also, it will work here. If we'll execute this, then how many rows will come? Can you tell?
16 rows. 16.
Okay, so 9 plus 7, 16. So who are agree with 16? Sudhakar, Bhavani, Akhil.
Yes, agreed. Total 16 rows will come.
Okay, so out of the 16, here 3 are null rows, 1 are null rows. So including that also it will come 16, or all those null it will consider as one row.
Including that also, sir.
Yeah, because we are using union all, so it will display all the rows,
Okay,
including
4
null.
null rows.
okay, so all null also it is coming, all 4 rows from both sides.
Yes.
Null, null, and another null. Okay, now same thing we can do union. Now you can tell how many rows it will come.
Multiple from one time. And then we have 3, 4, 6, 7.
11, I guess.
12. 12.
Okay. So 9 and 7, total 16. Out of 16, 3 are same, repeated. So ignore that. 16 minus 3, 13. Out of
1 null row
13,
will come.
3 null rows in second, 1 null rows. So those 13, what it will do now?
12.
Okay. 10. So any number of rows are there related to null, it will take only one in union.
1 time.
3 null rows are there, only one row, one null row it will return. 10 are there also, one null row it will return. 1 is there also, 1 it will return. So any number of null rows are there, then in union set operator it will return with only one null from both the set. Okay, next we'll do intersect. How many it will display? How many rows?
4. 4, sir.
Okay, 3 are common, and for all null.
And 1 null
Yes,
will
3
come.
are common.
Okay, very good. Now minus if you will do then. Minus.
Same.
6.
Total 9. Here total 7.
Only 6 rows will come, sir.
Okay, so out of 9, 3 are not same. So 9 minus 3, 6. 6 rows will come. Out of 6, 3 null rows are there. So what will happen?
Yes. 1 null row it will take.
Which will, we say, will be in both columns, sir.
Here also null is there. 3 null rows, here 1 null rows. If you will do minus, then what will happen? Rows. So out of 9, 3 are same. So 9 minus 3,
6.
6. Now out of this 6, 3 are null rows here. So any number of null rows are there, then set operator except union all, it is considering as 1 null rows. Already we get here previous example, 1 null rows. So 1 null it will consider for this, and 1 null it will consider for this. Here only 1 null is there. And if minus operator we are using, and no, in that case null and null are equivalent, 1 null rows, 1 null rows, 10 minus 10, like that it will come.
Okay.
So nothing. That's why that will not come. Those it will delete. Okay. Now another table is here. Select star from hockey. Okay, here also first name, last name, and another is CID column present. Usal. Okay, few other names are present here. Now if you will use this hockey table with cricket table with first name and last name, then what will happen? Total 16 rows, and here nothing is same. Kusal Arman, but here only Kusal, the middle is there. So everything it will come from this table as well as that table. So this will not come as a correct example. So these two is good example, football and cricket. Okay, now concept is clear. What exactly this set operator, how it is counting, what are the rules, regulations need to follow, and finally how it is calculating for null, all these things. This only set operator. Read it out from anybody. Okay, this also we did. Okay, so this is about set operator. Whatever it is required to clear the concepts, rules, regulations, everything done. Now you need to do the practice. One exercise set I have, I will place in that folder, corresponding folder, you can do practice. And from this set operator, compulsory you will get 2 to 3 questions in the interview. Whatever we discussed from that only.